John is the first student in his class. Mary is the second big woman in this company. She is the third student in that class. What is the meaning of first, second, third? That's what we are going to see now. That's what we are going to see. We are going to see cardinal numbers. We are going to talk about cardinal numbers. Tugiye kwiga ibijyanye n'imibare, uwa mbere first, uwa kabiri second cyangwa icya kabiri, uwa gatatu third, uwa kane fourth, uwa gatanu fifth. Nibyo tugiye kureba muri iri somo. Don't go outside. Don't go outside from this lesson. Wijya kure y'iri somo. We are together. Turi kumwe hangaha. I'm Teacher Jasper. We are going to learn English very well. Tugiye kwiga isomo ryacu rero ryiza cyane ryitwa ordinal numbers. But in English we have two categories of numbers. Tugira amoko abiri y'imibare. Cyane cyane ariyo tugiye guheraho hano ariyo cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Tugira cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers ni izihe? Imibare noneho yitwa cardinal numbers ni iyi. Ni ya yindi tumenyereye like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But here there are other numbers which are ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers ni iyi ubwo tuvuga ngo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turabizi ibyo ngibyo. Ariko tugiye kwirebera now we are going to see ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. Gukomeza. Ese nakaye kamaro k'iyi mibare tugiye kwiga? We are going to see some importance of these numbers. They are used in sentences. Iyi mibare ikoreshwa mu nteruro zitandukanye. Nibyo tugiye kureba. Ariko mbere yaho tugiye kureba uko iyi mibare tuyisoma. Nuko mu byukuri ivugitse. Ivugitse gute? Ese pronunciation yayo. How do we pronounce some ordinal numbers? Cardinal numbers ntabwo tuyitindaho cyane. Kuko turayizi 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ukagera kuri 20, 21, 23, 24. Ibyo byo turabizi. 100 ibyo ngibyo twita cardinal numbers. Ariko ordinal numbers niryo somo nabateguriye uyu munsi. Dear students, if you are a new student, try to subscribe. Gerageza ukore kuri subscribe. Ako kantu k'umutuku ni uri mushasha. Good. Then we are going to see some examples of cardinal numbers. Here we say first, second. Ubwo hano ni ukubyandika mu mpine, hano tukavuga mu magambo. First, tukabyandika dutya. Second, third, fourth. Ntabwo ari fourth. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. 10th. 11th. 12th. Let me repeat this. First, second, third. Ntuzavuge sadi. Sadi nibo. The sadi student is coming. No, that's not a very good English. It's better to say third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th. Good. First, turabizi ko ari icyambere cyangwa umuntu wa mbere. first, second icya kabiri, third icya gatatu, gukomeza ni icya kane, icya gatanu, icya gatandatu, cyangwa uwa kane, uwa gatanu, uwa gatandatu. We are going to see more examples now. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You ugeze kuri 19 uhita uvuga 20th, 20th, 21st. Ubwo ni 21 kubera dufite 1 nka first. No, you ugeze kuri 21 ntabwo uvuga ngo 21th. No, you say 21st, 22nd, 23rd, ugakomeza. Ushobora no kuvuga 24th, 25th, 27th, 28th, ugakomeza. Good. Then here we are going to see some examples that are going to help us understand better the use of ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. For example, you can say Mary is the first girl in our class. Mary is the first girl in our class. Mariya ni umukobwa wa mbere. Uwa mbere ntabwo ari umwe. Iyo uvuze one girl ni umukobwa umwe. Ariko iyo uvuze uwa mbere niwe waje kuri list, ku rutonde niwe waje ku mwanya wa mbere, ubwo tuzakoresha uwa mbere. Mariya ni umukobwa wa mbere mu ishuri ryacu. Kabiri, the second. The Second World War was very dangerous. The Second World War was very dangerous. Intambara ya kabiri. Urumva ko ari two. Ntabwo ari two. Ntabwo tuvuga ngo the two world war. We say the Second World War was very dangerous. Intambara ya kabiri y'isi yari iteye ubwoba. Third, we are in the third wave of COVID-19. We are in the third wave of COVID-19. Turi mu nkubiri ya gatatu ya COVID-19. 4. James Madison was the fourth president of USA. James Madison yari perezida wa kane cyangwa yabaye perezida wa kane wa Amerika. James Madison. James Madison was the fourth president of USA. We're going to continue here. Number 5. 5 arihinduka fifth. The fifth winner of this competition is John. Uwatsinze wabaye wa gatanu cyangwa uwatsinze wa gatanu ni muri aya marushanwa yitwa John. The fifth winner of this competition is John. Urumva ni wa gatanu. Ntabwo yaba ari 5 ni gatanu bundi. 5 things, ibintu bitanu. Ariko niba umuntu yaje ku mwanya wa gatanu turamwita ko ari the fifth winner. Good. 6. This is the 6th lesson of English. 6th S. 6th. Yeah, the 6th. 6th. Yeah, this is the 6th lesson of English. Iri ni isomo rya gatandatu ry'icyongereza. I like the Seventh-day Adventist Church. I like the Seventh-day Adventist Church. Nkunda urusengero rw'Abadiventiste b'umunsi wa karindwi. 20. My friend Tom is the 20th in his church. Tom ni uwa 20 mu rusengero rwabo, wenda mu kuririmba cyangwa se wenda mu gutanga amaturo, I don't know. Yeah. My friend Tom is the 20th in his church. Mu rusengero rwe ni uwa 20. Wenda hari ukuntu bagiye babashyira mu myanya. Good. 21. Jack is the 21st. Ntuzavuge 21. No. You shall kuvuga ngo ni uwa 21. Jack is the 21st runner in this marathon competition. Muri iri rushanwa rya marato, Jack ni uwa makumyabiri, ni umuntu wirutse ku nshuro cyangwa ni uwa makumyabiri na rimwe. 21st runner. Runner ni umuntu wiruka nyine. Runner or runners. Good. Today is 22nd August. Ushobora kubwira umuntu uti none ni itariki makumyabiri n'ebyiri z'ukwa kangahe? Z'ukwa munani. Ugakoresha 22nd. Ntuzavuge ngo 22. It's not good. It's better to say today is 22nd August. Uyu munsi ni itariki makumyabiri n'ebyiri z'ukwezi kwa munani. That's very good. That is what we call ordinal numbers. These are ordinal numbers. It's there. This lesson is there to be taken, to be got. You must get it so that you can understand better the use of ordinal numbers. I'm Teacher Jasper. We are together for the next lessons. See you. Goodbye.